Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Smart Power Liftgate in the newly refreshed 2024 Kia Sorento. I have in front of me here an EX 2.5 turbo all-wheel drive in Gravity Gray. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, what we're going to do is we're going to head into the infotainment system and we're going to make sure that our Power Liftgate and Smart Power Liftgate are both turned on. So we're going to enter Setup, either by hitting Setup down here in the control center when infotainment controls are showing, or from the infotainment screen, we can swipe to the left and then hit Setup there. Then we're going to go into Vehicle, and then you have the option of going right into Door from here, or if you happen to go into the driver assistance screen from a different way, then on the left, we can enter door over there. So now in the middle, we're going to make sure, so our power liftgate is currently turned on, and we're going to go ahead and turn on the smart liftgate. But before we do, we're just going to go through these few options here. So you can choose how fast you want it to open. Normal is going to be just a normal speed. Fast is just going to be a little bit faster than that. Not like incredibly fast, but it just kind of gets you moving. You can also go into the power liftgate opening height, and you can change what height, like preset how high you want it to open. So right now it's set to full open, and it gives you a little example over there on the right. And if we were to go to level 3, level 2, level 1, and then the user height setting, we can preset on our own by manually putting it where we want and then pressing and holding the button for a few seconds, and it will just save the height that we want. So right now I'm just going to set it to full open, and I'm going to go back. So those are the settings that are in there. Also, while we're inside, I wanted to show you to the left of the steering column, this is a button you can press and hold, press and hold, if you want to open the power liftgate from the front of the car in the cabin. So now we're going to head outside and see the Smart Power Liftgate in action. Okay, so now that we're outside, I do have the key fob on me here, and you can see we have a hold button in the middle, and that's to open and close the power liftgate from the key fob. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that first. So I'm going to go ahead and press and hold it, give it a second. It's going to start to beep, and then it's going to go ahead and open. And all I did was just hold it, and then I let go, and it went the full way. If I wanted to close it with the key fob, again, I go ahead, press and hold it. It's going to beep, it'll start to close, and then I can let go, and it will go ahead and close. If the car happens to be on and the power liftgate is open, and you go to close it with the key fob, you have to press and hold it and continue to hold it for it to fully close. It won't just do the full close. So now what I'm going to do is go ahead and just lock the car, and we're going to do our smart power liftgate entry. So I have the key fob on me. I'm not touching any of the buttons. I'm just going to back away for half a second. So it's like you've gone shopping or something. You come back, your hands are full, and you come up to the back of the car with the key fob. And as you get close, it's going to start to beep and flash. And after 3 seconds, or usually when it hits the 4th beep, it's just going to go ahead and power open for you. So I didn't have to hit anything. And you don't have to worry about trying to go do a flip flaily thing, because those don't always work. So as long as you're at the back of the car with the key fob, it's been off, it knows it's there, it'll do the beeps, and then it will open for you. And then we have our buttons up here to close it, if you wanted to close it that way. Now, because we went in the Smart Power Liftgate way, you'll see the lights are going to flash again, and the car relocked itself because the rest of the doors were locked at the same time we happened to open the power liftgate. And if you have the key fob on you and you do come up to the back or you're walking by and it starts to beep and flash, as long as it doesn't hit that 4th beep, you just walk away. And if you don't intend on going in, just keep going, because it won't open as long as it doesn't hit the 4th beep. And if you wanted to open it on your own, the button is actually located under the center here. So you go ahead and press that, and it's going to go ahead and open for you. And again, while we're back here, if you want to manually adjust this where you want, you press and hold the close button and just wait till it beeps. And now it's saved that height. So the next time you go to open it, it's only going to go that high. Now, if you have a Sorento that has your driver memory seating, you get 2 different power liftgate heights for between the profiles. So let's say just driver 1 has one height, driver 2 will have a different height. So by default, it'll probably be on the highest. And just to note that, just so that you don't do any damage to the lift gate if you can't open it that high. And if it goes to close and there happens to be somebody there, as it comes down, as soon as there's enough resistance, it will just go back the other way. And anytime you go to close it or move it, you can always hit a button to interrupt it. And the next time you hit any of the buttons, it's just gonna go back the opposite direction. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys.